Started.
My pranams to all Atmajyotis, divine light of the self. I welcome all of you for today's meditation session on Vishnu Sahasranama. We take up one shloka of Vishnu Sahasranama, chant Vishnu Sahasranama, and then meditate, contemplate based on the names. Maheshwaso Mahibhartha Srinivasah Satam Gatihi Aniruddha Suranando Govindo Govidam Patihi Maheshwasaha. Bhagavan has a very powerful arrow, bow and arrow. Maheshwasaha. He is the holder of the powerful bow. Sri Ramachandra had a bow called Kodanda. So when the ocean did not give the way to go to Lanka, Sri Rama took the took the bow and arrow, and the ocean was afraid of bow of Sri Ramachandra. So the bow is very powerful bow. It's called Kodanda. Bhagavan Vishnu has a very powerful bow called Sarangi. So the bow is also represent dharma, the righteousness, the bow of righteousness, powerful bow, Sarangi. That's why he is called Maheshwasaha. Mahi Bharta. Mahi means earth. One who holds the earth. In a Varaha Avatara, Bhagavan took the form of boar, Mahavaraha, and held the earth. So he is the Mahi Bharta. In Kurmavatara, as a tortoise, he held the Mandara Parvata. That's why he is called Mahi Bharta. Srinivasaha. Sri is Lakshmi. Lakshmi, during churning of the Milky Ocean, Mahalakshmi appeared. Mahalakshmi married Vishnu. She is in the chest or the heart of Bhagavan Vishnu. One speciality of Mahalakshmi, Lakshmi, is that she doesn't stay with anybody. She is Chanchare. Lakshmi is money, power, position. Constantly she moves. But only one place where she stays always is Srinivasa, the heart of Bhagavan Narayana. That's why it's called Srinivasa. She doesn't move from there. She stays there eternally. Satam Gatihi. Satam means the seekers. Gatihi is the destination. All of us are seeking the God realization, Brahman. So Narayana or Mahavishnu is our destination, is our path, is our goal. He is Satam Gatihi. Aniruddha. Nobody can stop Bhagavan. Unstoppable. Aniruddha. The entire universe is functioning based on the will of Bhagavan. All the natural laws, gravitational force, everything is functioning according to the will of God. The will of God cannot be stopped. Can you stop the gravitational force? Can you stop the movement of stars? They all function according to the will of God. He is Aniruddha, unstoppable. Suranando. Sura means devatas. Ananda means one who gives happiness to devatas. Sura also means people who do good to the society, people who do good to others, people who are involved in yajna. So Ananda, Bhagavan gives Ananda to those. When you are involved in service activity, when you are involved in activity which is beneficial to the world, Loka Kalyana, there's a tremendous joy which opens up in you. Bliss. That is Bhagavan, Surananda. Govindo Govidampatihi. Govindo means go means cow, one who protects the cows. He is the protector of the cow. But go also means Vedas, the knowledge of Vedas. One who protects the knowledge of Vedas is called Govinda. Bhagavan is Govinda, Govinda, Govinda. That means when you what you understand through Vedas is Upanishad. The meaning of Upanishad is Brahman. Brahman is Mahavishnu. Govidam Patihi. He is the protector of those who understand the Vedic knowledge, Atmadnana. Those who chant Vedas, so he protects them. That's why Govidam Patihi. Let us meditate on, let us contemplate, let us meditate Bhagavan Vishnu's qualities. Close your eyes, sit in a comfortable posture. Gently become aware of your breath. In breath, out breath. Breathe in the divine positive energy, Shakti, energy of hope, strength, courage, and peace. Breathe out all negativities, the fear, anxiety, and stress. Gentle breathe in, breathe out. Deep breathe in, breathe out. Slow breathe in, breathe out. Fill your whole body with the divine positive energy, Shakti. Visualize divine light, Atma Jyoti, entering through the top of the head, crown of the head, entering into the head, feeling of the whole body. The divine light is soothing, healing, and purifying. The divine light enters through the head, fills up the head, face, neck, chest, healing, soothing, purifying, bringing peace, love, and happiness. Flowing through the body, into the stomach, into the legs, into the feet, washing away all negativities and impurities. Enjoy the peace, become one with the light. Become aware of the inner space in the body. From head to toe, there is inner space. Stay in that inner space. Stay in the chest cavity. Enjoy the peace and silence. Be the witness. Gently bring your attention back to the body, back to the breath. I'll chant Asatoma. You can repeat after me. Asatoma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya. Om Shanti 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 Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Lokaha samastaha Sukino bhavantu. Lokaha samastaha Sukino bhavantu. Lokaha samastaha Sukino bhavantu. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Gently, slowly rub your hands. Give warmth to the eyes. Open your eyes.